Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ASR. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this down channel, and right now ASR has reached the resistance of this down channel on this weekly time frame, and we will also watch this descending triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this recent trade setup of ASR that I shared yesterday when ASR completed this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And before this, in the month of Feb, ASR completed such move, and that was another Gartley. This was the previous Gartley. Let me to show you first this pattern that I shared previously in the month of Feb 2022, and you can see that the price line just completed the final leg. And after playing this chart, we can see that this from this potential reversal zone or this buying zone, the price line rallied very well, again moved down, and we had another big spike and finally dropped down. And this is the current trade setup that I shared yesterday, and that was another harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. And both setups are formed with the Bitcoin pair, by the way. And this was our potential reversals on from 1363 and goes to 1334. And after playing this chart, we can see that from this potential reversals on, the price line rallied very well, and now it is still moving here at the level of this potential sell zone. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, and this is by the way ASR with US dollar pair chart, then here we can see that above this resistance of this down channel, we have a key resistance of that is the price level key resistance at $5, and this down channel was started here back in Feb 2021, and you can see that we have several touch points at the resistance, and we have more touch points at the several touch points at the support, and this is the resistance we have of this down channel, and we have several touch points, even more touch points at the resistance as well than the support. And this will be another very strong resistance. So even after breaking out this resistance of the down channel, ASR will still need to break out this key resistance of $5 as well. And we can see that previously here it has been working as a resistance, and here back in Feb 2021 it was working as a support, and here in May 2021, from May to July 2021, it was breaking as a very strong support. And after breaking down, the price line confirmed this level by retesting previous resistance as a support as a resistance, and after this rejection it moved down. We had several rejections here as well, and the recent rejection was here in the month of June 2022. We had a long spike, but we again moved down, and right now you can see that we are again moving inside this channel. So we need to break out this channel, and we also need to break out this resistance of $5 as well. And if we switch to the more small time frame, very small time frame chart, this is 4-hour time frame chart, then right now you can see that ASR has rejected rejection here. We have another rejection here, several rejections here as well, 1, 2, 3 rejections, and we have several touch points at this horizontal support. And this is the formation of a symmetrical triangle, and right now you can see that the price line is again, after this rejection, dropped at this support. First we tested this support here, again moved up, and again moved down. So it is possible that it is forming a double bottom here, and then it will try to break out the resistance of this triangle. However, if we take a look at the target for the breakout, then for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then target to the upside can be here at $3.57. And for example, if ASR breaks down the triangle, then it can move down to $2.73. And right now you can see that we are very close to this resistance of the down channel. So if ASR breaks out the triangle, then there will be a very high probability that it will also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance of the channel. This time the resistance of the channel is approximately at $3.80, and after breaking out this resistance and this key resistance of $5, there can be a very big move. And our final target, by the way, for this bigger down channel on this weekly time frame chart will be here, approximately at $16.5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas You can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.